Hello, I'd like to share something that is helping me in this challenge to learn English by myself alone in home. I, a year ago, I bought this book. I make a search. They said that this is the best to study grammar, but for me was very hard to study just by the book alone, just reading. So I started to do something that I share with you. So I check the book, I choose a subject, for example, uh, present simple. Okay, so I I just open the YouTube and search by present simple, and I like this channel, English 101. So I take this class. I watch the entire class. I take some notes about what the Alicia teach, and after that I try the exercise by the book. Uh, it turns the task to learn with the book uh, easier for me, and I think you could try to. I bought this used book, so it's cheaper. The anyone had has a high price, so I bought a used book. It's cheaper and very useful for me. So try this, try that, try that.